let's start our today's talk with a very special person. You will come to know like why this person is such a special person, and we will start by slowly getting to know this special person whom I have for you. So I won't take your name first because you will be taking your name in the meanwhile. Like, I want to know first thing, what is the most beautiful thing you got, felt, or even realized after joining Inner Excellence?
Oh, that's a wonderful question. I always, this inner excellence was the word which was fascinated to me. I always knew that the person who has inner excellence can only excel, can only do what he wants to do, can only be good, can only have a courage. So this was my feeling right from the beginning. But when I met Korak, somehow his feelings and his ways also, they just resonated with my feelings. And immediately I bought this course. And the magic that is happening in my life is, it's there are no words to explain that. It's beyond my words.
Okay. Uh, we will come to this question again later. But first, tell us a little bit about yourself, your name, place, your background, what you do, basically about yourself.
Yeah. Thank you, Korak, for asking that. I am Dr. Kshama Kulhalli, basically from Karnataka, but settled in Maharashtra after marriage. Last 37 years, I have been in an engineering college teaching all the students of generally electronics department, information technology and computer science. I have done my post-graduation PhD in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and then I am presently working as dean. I have worked in various positions, right from professor to principal to, now dean. So I have been always among the students and teaching them and learning new subjects, and lifelong learning is my passion. I am married. I have a wonderful, loving husband. I have 2 beautiful children and a cute little granddaughter who really I love. And I am now learning new things so that I can spread all these information and learnings that I am doing to the entire society. And what information and knowledge I have, I want to give it to everybody in this country.
Wow. You are such a marvelous person, Kshama. And I just wish that all your dreams, all your treasures that you have, I've always told you this thing, and I want to tell you again in front of the whole universe that all your dreams, all the information, knowledge, and the beautiful treasures you have, you could pass it on to humanity and make them excel. And whatever you are also part of our Gen A hub, the Fresh Start, and we all would love to do whatever we could so that your dreams, which are for humanity's good, becomes a success.
Thank you so much.
All the best to you. Okay, let's go to the next question. What kind of mentorship or guidance you got or you are getting in this Gen A, the Fresh Start hub?
Okay. Korak is not only a mentor, is a great human by heart, and with free-handedness, whatever is your difficulty, whatever is your problem, in any case, wherever I get stuck, I just have a call and he just helps you out. So he is so much full of inner excellence that he's giving it to everybody bit by bit, everything. And that bit itself becomes a huge, inner excellence. So I am totally benefited by this particular inner excellence when I started studying about it, seeing the videos about it, and a person as help in any of the problem that I get stuck is being always helped by Gaurav. So I really thankful to you for whatever you are doing it for this Gen Hub. And truly the people who join this will be definitely getting benefit out of it. And what is required is you can achieve anything, you can do anything in life, provided you have this in excess. And this is a must for everybody.
Thank you, Shama. Like you have gone through the course slowly, but definitely like the tortoise, like the enthusiastic tortoise which I told you about. Like you have gone through this course, and I know you'll be going through this. What do you feel like when you go through the course? What do you feel about the course?
The course is so well structured, deeply researched, and it is, just over delivery. Too many things have been given, how much you want. It's like, you go in a 5-star hotel and you are filled with, for starters, then you have a main course, then you have dessert. So much is on this, what you want to eat, how you want to take it. Even anybody takes 1% of it, they will excel in that. So much is given in the course, and we cannot go in a super fast speed. You have to go very slowly, steadily, step by step, use it, approach, write it down, execute it, feel it, experience it. Then only you will understand the essence of it. You cannot grab everything. Even if you are hungry, you have to go step by step in a slow process. It really requires time. And you cannot, it is just not like a switch on and switch off. It's on and off, you got inner excellence. No, it's a whole, lifetime achievements, and the slow and steady wins the lake, like you told me. Tortoise. Tortoise only is going to be, yes.
Would you like to tell us about this? Like before you went on board to this course, there was this tortoise thing and something happened in your dream, and this thing which was told, and about the car thing and all these things. Would you like to share the story with us?
Yeah, definitely. I would love to share this. See, what happened is one fine day when I was sleeping and the morning suddenly at around 4:30 I got up. Nowadays I'm making a habit of what was my dream. I'm trying to remember, so that I'm working on memory concepts. So I'm trying to remember. Then I remembered that there was a tortoise in my dream, because I went to a temple, and in the temple there was a box, and in that box, when I opened that box, one tortoise came, and I was holding the tortoise in my hand. And the next day we were just chatting on WhatsApp, and you just happened to mention that, Kshama, you are a tortoise and you will be, going like a speed of tortoise, but you are, like a wisdom and knowledge, something you shared, and that suddenly clicked me. I said, oh my God, in my dream that tortoise had come and he's about to mention. So then I asked you, we discussed about it, you told me why it is so. That was one incident with me, and at that time really my frequency resonated with your frequency. This is going to be a true Atma Guru for me. And second incident was we were supposed to have some meeting, and that time I told you, no, I am little busy and I am going and purchasing a car. And the delivery date has, at 3 o'clock only. So I went and bought the car, but I am seeing the exact car which I had purchased, and you were not having any clue about it. You just sent me the picture of the same car, same color, same model. And that was something, I said, oh, it was really, surprising. I was so happy. I said, ye subah tortoise, afternoons. I immediately said that I'm going to buy this course, and started exploring it very slowly like tortoise. And that those things really, it was a huge surprise.
These stories are so like inspiring, and and you remember you told me about like your college was going to start physically and from the Monday, and like you were thinking like what would be the situation after so many, and you were talking about this thing, and then how you went to the college and how you like changed the whole matrix of the college things, and how people would come and you would fill them up. If you want, we would love to hear that story also.
So what happened is, since because of this lockdown, students not being then, so much uncertainty of the pandemic, and a lot of things we were not able to meet and to the people. And one fine day when lockdown was lifted, our college was about to start, and we were supposed to go to college in the physical mode. So I was little scared. I said, ये भगवान, ये लोगों को आजू बाजू में नहीं, ये लोगों को कैसे देखना है, क्या करने? They are so much, full of negative things, and ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ. How will I do it? Then I had a chat with you. You said, please go to the college and spread positivity everywhere. And this positivity will, give them love, show them everything. That day, the moment I entered, parked my car and entered the gate, I said, good morning, everybody. Ma'am, after a long time, everybody, cheerful. Whoever I met, I just kept on saying, wow, how are you? Even a sweeper, I said, Maushi, how are you? Everybody was so happy, and I had a wonderful day that day. And from that day onwards, I just, said, Pura apna, selflessly keep on giving love to everybody, spread positivity, everybody around you. And that is going to give you the, satisfaction. And internally, if you are not happy, your productivity also goes down. The way I started responding to the meetings, the way I started listening to it. तो पहले मैं सुनती नहीं थी. I never used to listen to it. मेरा ही ढक 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 it used to start. Now all I will start before listening. Now I listen to everybody, and in the end I will just give my opinion. This is what I feel, and listen to everybody. So everybody I give a chance. I mean, there is a transition, and even in the relationship, even in the students mentoring things have become so different. And kahin pe bhi there's a lot of success and a lot of results, like reasons reap results. So when I have a reason to do, and that is giving me results, so I am super happy and excited.
Great. This is what I wanted in the initial phase of our getting into the journey of inner excellence. That this is just the silver level of the inner excellence journey. And you have gone through this course for nearly a month or so, and you have seen you have gone through the curriculum, you have gone through my, talks, one-on-one talks with you. What do you think, like in this silver level, what all things we could add more to make this more strong? Like you could be like, you could tear me off with your, critic of this thing. Tell me how we could, because, my objective is to reach out to all the people and fill them up with this brightness, which they have already inside them. So tell me how we could make it more beautiful.
I think, your course is just perfect. You have amazing course. What a student requires is he should have a courage. He should have a right mindset. he should be confident about what he's doing. He should know where he want to go in life. He should know what are the things he require in life. And we are able to give him a clear clarity and what he needs to do towards it. And instead of wasting his important timing in productivity and learning things, if he is wasting it in something else, then it may not be good. This is what a student requires. What a person who is mid-aged requires. He requires a clarity, a sort of confidence, and do's and don'ts in the life, and needs happiness and inner excellence. All these words will last end with inner excellence and starts with inner excellence. Starting and ending is inner excellence. So if you don't have that, it's really not possible to can achieve anything in life. So for me, I feel the silver level is perfect. I don't know about gold and other things, but right now we need to relish it, do it rigorously every day, and practice it and come to a certain level so as to go for next levels.
Yes, we keep our fingers crossed. And towards the end of this interview, tell me this thing, like, what would you say to those who would like to, who should or who must join this Inner Excellence Hub? And what would you tell them? How would you convince them to join this thing?
Yeah, the first and foremost thing, to be happy in the life, to be cheerful in the life, to be away from anxiety, depression, frustration, mood swings, and you have no control on outside. External, you have hardly any control. Anything, if you plan it, it may happen, it may not happen. So it's like a steering in a car. You're sitting in a car, and if you are not able to do steering properly, you will not reach the destination where you want to reach. That's important, the steering. And the steering control ability, you can only get it by inner excellence. If you are internally good, if you are internally happy, contented, satisfied, then only you can drive the life car with a proper steering in your hand. If you don't add that, then it's going to be haphazard. The car will go somewhere. Look at the jerky driver. He will put some pedals, this thing he have to do. The life is going to be that. And the life to be controlled with a peace, calm, to complete your life cycle to the fullest, you need to have inner excellence. And this, earlier you do it, it's better. You cannot do it at my age. Children should learn about it. The adults should know about it. Teenagers should know about it. Mid-aged people should know about it. This is for everybody. Everybody should have inner excellence. Anybody who is trying to join, I strongly recommend that you must go for this course, explore it, experience it, apply it, enjoy it, and then you will understand the magic of it. That's truly important.
Wow. This is like so beautifully explained. But still, Shama, I am a little bit greedy because you are a person who has studied artificial intelligence, who had gone deep into artificial intelligence, then electronic engineering, and then you are a dean of such a huge engineering college in Kolhapur or somewhere in Maharashtra. And you have such a long experience with dealing with students of a particular age, then adults, then all these people. Like, I feel that I want you to say it again in why inner excellence is the most important, and especially in these difficult times, which is post-COVID life, and how what do you think, like people who know inner excellence or who have inner excellence, how they would be able to make themselves future proof? Why it is such an important thing, this inner excellence?
So let me put all my story into concise 2 sentences. If you want to lead your life to the fullest potential, and if you want to check the fantastic gadget that God has given us to explore it to the fullest capacity, and check what all things is possible that you can do it after achieving inner excellence, you need to experience it. It can't be spoken in words. I can't tell you inner excellence is excellent, you do it, but you do it and then you yourself will experience and tell it. But my experiences I can definitely share. It's a fantastic course. Every age people should go for it. And the moment you are experienced with the wonderful gadget that God has given us, the entire body, brain, the spiritual intelligence, the artificial intelligence, all these things together will become, as one, and you will be able to achieve anything and everything in life. I'm a professor. I keep on talking, I have a lot of things to tell. But if you ask me one word, then I right now I'm not able to get one word. One word is buy it, go for it. Go for it.
Thank you so much, Kshama. You have been a blessing for us.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity to speak to you. Indeed, it's a great pleasure connecting to you. Thank you.